Good morning, I am Babison Joseph and I am here to present the sixth experiment of compiler. The aim is to simulate the concept of single pass assembler for simplified instruction computer. An assembler is a program that accepts an input as an assembly language program and produces its machine language equivalent along with the information of the loader. So here we have the program. So first we import all the necessary files, all the header files, which are the buffer read, buffer write, and file not found exception and all, and the IO exception, and the enumerator, hashtag, and scanner exception. And after that, we go to the main class. We create a hash table object called OP, which opens the table, and an hash table object called SYM, which is of 30 in size. The buffer reader takes a given file from the compiler, which is named as pgm.txt, and stores it in the read format, and then the buffer writer WR is declared, in which we take the file from the compiler, which is written as inter.txt. Then we define the following. We define a string called line and another string called title, and then we define int lc, which is equal to 0, and start is equal to 0. Then we go into a for loop, which is executed till br is dot read line is not done, and then we go inside an if condition in which string c gives the line split and title is given as c of 0. If c dot length is equal to 3, then we start integer dot present integer c for 2 of 16, lc is equal to start. Else we make start is equal to 0 and lc is equal to start, and wr dot write, we write the writer program. Else if line dot contain is end, that is the line is the ending, then pass one symbol update is equal to line op sim lc and wr. Else if we go to the next condition, which is given line dot contain end, wr dot write is equal to integer dot to hex string plus a given ring and the line, and int length lc is minus length is equal to lc dot minus start. Lc is equal to start, bracket close, right close. Then the buffer reader br goes into a new buffer, br1 goes into a new buffer, which again takes compiler, goes into compiler and goes into compiler 6 and goes into a file called itrx, and we again go into a for loop. It's the same as the given and as the previous one. This is the second pass, and same way we close the br1 dot close. Then we go into private static string to 6. So that is to convert the string into 6 formats into the word format, and then the next is pass 2, in which we go and convert the object into a 6 string word, and else if is the same way, we go to the reverse of the string, the reverse of the integer and the reverse of the word. Else if line dot contain word, we do, if line contains word, then we do the following and we return lc, and we go to the pass symbol, in which we pass one symbol dot update, in which we pass the following arguments, which throws an IO exception. We declare a string c line dot split, and we go into the if functions, and system.out will print the label already exists if the label is already present, and we print invalid label if the label is not right, equals word integer hexa string, we convert into hexa string, and we increase the value of lc by 3. And similarly we do it for reverse and reverse byte, and we go into the ready op table. The ready op table also throws an exception, and it's the same way. This also takes the file, and this also reads and splits. The br.close and the bracket is closed, and we return OP. So now we'll just run and see that. this is the hexadecimal code that is generated. Thank you.